1. The celebrated theory is still the source of great controversy. 2. Most scientists believe that climate change threatens the lives on Earth. 3. Americans have typically defined the process of plant growth in quantitative terms. 4. An introduction is an essential element of presentation. 5. Certain scientific principles must be learned verbally or by logical deduction. 6. Convincing evidence to support this theory is hard to obtain. 7. Daily practice can build confidence and improve skills. 8. Everyone must evacuate the premises during the fire drill. 9. Many experts think that the world climate is constantly changing. 10. Human beings compete with other living things for resources and space. 11. Human beings compete with other living things for resources and space. 12. He landed a job in a very prestigious law firm. 13. I thought it was through the small meeting room. 14. Important details from the argument are missing in the summary. 15. It may not be possible to solve the problem easily. 16. Listening is the key skill needed to succeed in this course. 17. Medical researchers have focused on causes of diseases and treatments. 18. Most of these features were part of the previous system. 19. Nurses can specialize in clinical work or management. 20. The University Theatre Group will be performing in the concert hall. 21. Packaging is very important to attract the attention of a buyer. 21. Plants are the living things that can grow on land or in water. 22. Please note that the submission deadlines are only negotiable in exceptional circumstances. 23. Radio is a popular form of entertainment throughout the world. 24. Remember, the prestigious election of stewardship has strict eligibility criteria. 25. Resources and materials are on hold at the library reference desk. 26. Rivers provide habitats for fish and other aquatic species. 27. Students requiring an extension should apply sooner rather than later. 28. The application processes may take longer than expected. 29. The archaeologists' new discoveries stand out in previously overlooked foundations. 30. The assessment of this course will begin next week. 31. The chemistry building is located near the entrance to the campus. 32. The city's founders created a set of rules that became law. 33. The course will help students to improve their pronunciation skills. 34. The designers will complete the plan later today. 35. The essay will be published once the research is finished. 36. The island is located at the south end of the bay. 37. The key difference between courses is the kind of assessment. 38. The qualification will be assessed by using a criterion referenced approach. 39. The railway makes long-distance travel possible for everyone. 40. The students were instructed to submit their assignments before Friday. 41. The university library has most of the necessary books. 42. Traffic is the main cause of air pollution in many cities. 43. Tribes vied with each other to build monolithic statues. 44. Understanding how to use the library will save you time. 45. We study science to understand and appreciate the world around us. 46. The essay is easy to write once the research is completed. 47. Years of training are required to become a medical specialist. 48. They developed a unique approach to training their employees. 49. The university has invested in new technologies designed to support learning. 50. A good academic paper should present a clear argument. 51. In this language course, we focus on both fluency and accuracy. 52. Students are encouraged to monitor their own attendance. 53. The ability to work with fellow students cannot be stressed enough. 54. Continuing students will be sent the necessary application forms. 55. The department has a higher than normal proportion of postgraduate students. 56. The plight of local wildlife has been ignored by developers. 57. A professor took 1 year off to work on her book. 58. Food has become a political issue in the world. 59. Speed is defined as how quickly an object or a person moves. 60. Animal and plant cells have a number of structures in common. 61. Being bilingual does not necessarily mean having the ability to analyze the languages. 62. You must hand in your essays by midday on Friday. 63. The shipwreck of this year ruined some artifacts, which were of interest to historians. 64. Renovation works are currently being undertaken throughout the whole building. 65. The bus for London will leave 10 minutes later than planned. 66. A series of lectures showcasing economic research have been recorded. 67. Food containing ample calories provides little or no nutritional value. 68. Some vocational courses at institutions are funded by private enterprises. 69. Time and distance are used to calculate speed. 70. Castles were designed to intimidate both local people and enemies. 71. Blue whales are the largest animals that have ever lived. 72. The opening hours of the library are reduced during summer. 73. A laptop computer has been found in the biology lab. 74. His appointment to the Minister of Culture was seen as a demotion. 75. Measures must be taken to prevent the unemployment rate from increasing. 76. Muscle cells bring parts of the body closer together. 77. Photography can be very useful to geographical research. 78. Requests for late applications will not be accepted under any circumstances. 79. Salt is produced from seawater or extracted from the ground. 80. The news will not be received until the following week. 81. You do not need specialist knowledge to enjoy this book. 82. More graduate training is often needed after university study has finished. 83. The area has a variety of underwater habitats and species. 84. He was regarded as the foremost economist of his time. 85. Your ideas are discussed and debated in seminars and tutorials. 86. Our study program equips students with essential skills for university. 87. Academic libraries across the world are steadily incorporating social media. 88. New developments in manufacturing are constantly changing the way we live. 89. Classical mechanics is sometimes considered a branch of applied mathematics. 90. Students should leave their bags on the table by the door. 91. This advanced course requires a basic knowledge of economic theory. 92. New materials and techniques are changing the style of modern architecture. 93. There will be a chemistry test in the class next week. 94. Sea levels are expected to rise during the next century. 95. Honey can be used as food and a health product. 96. Farmers need to adapt to the changes in climate. 97. An effective business manager is always open to new ideas. 98. The department works closely with business communities. 99. There is an accounting assignment for finance students. 100. Relying on natural ability will not get you far in science.